Right, so this question is similar to part A, right? We want to find continuity, and we know continuity is a question of limits. So we can have a discontinuity at these endpoints of 1. So the limit as x approaches 1 from the negative direction means we're going to be on this top branch, x cubed plus 1. If I take the limit as we approach 1 from the positive direction, means I'm on this branch, right? I'm approaching 1 that way, ax plus b. But I can also have discontinuity when x is equal to 3, right? 3 is also an endpoint. So we would have a limit as x approaches 3 from the negative direction. That's going to be an ax plus b. We're going to be on that top branch. This has to equal the limit as x approaches 3 from the positive direction, which means we're going to be on just wiping my eye in the video. There we go. So I hope that, I don't know. Who knows what anybody's even watching. So I can just plug in 1. So I'm going to get 1 cubed plus 1. That's 2. I'm going to plug in 1 for a. That's going to be an a times 1 plus b. So I have 2 variables, but 1 equation. So I'm going to need another equation if I want to solve this. I can get that here, right? Because I can plug in 3 for a, 3a plus b. I can plug in a 3 here. So that's going to be 3 squared, 9 plus 3, which is 12. All right, so then now we have a system, right? I have a's and b's equal a number, a's and b's equal a number. So if a plus b is 2 and 3a plus b is 12, a lot of ways we could solve this. So you could solve by substitution, which would mean like a equals 2 minus b and then plug that in for like that a, or b equals 2 minus a and plug it in there. I personally just like elimination. I feel that's the easiest one for me. 3a minus a would give us 2a. Oh, and I can do elimination because I realize that these b's are the exact same. So if I subtract, they cancel. B minus b is gone. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So a would equal 5. Once you know that a is equal to 5, you can plug that into any of these equations. 5 plus b is equal to 2. So b is equal to negative 3. Now, again, I kind of like would recommend that you try to graph these things and solve and just make sure you have the right answer. So A, right, I'm trying to find some kind of graph here and some B's that kind of match things up perfectly. So if A was 5 and B was negative 3, notice we found that nice kind of connecting line there, and we know that we have the right answer.